Si Molly, yung baby namin ni asawa, Mary Olivia. Ayun, nakakaiyak pala, no?
Sa likod ng masayahing personalidad at sa likod ng mga ngiti, sa likod ng positibong attitude ng news anchor at ngayon nga ay isang recording artist na si Bernadette Simbrano Aguinaldo ay lingid sa kaalaman ng marami na meron pala siyang napakalaking bubog sa dibdib na pilit na itinatago. Nito lamang December 8, araw ng Martes, nang i-reveal ni Bernadette sa kanyang mga social media followers ang mapait niyang karanasan. Inamin ni Bernadette na siya ay nakuna ng anak ilang araw bago niya idaos ang kanyang kaarawan. Sa isang maikling paglalahad ay idinetali ni Bernadette ang isa sa pinakamalungkot na parte ng kanyang buhay. Lahat tayo ay may bubog. It took a while before I decided to post this. I asked myself, how much should one reveal? Today is a special day because December 8, Immaculate Conception, was the day that Molly, our daughter, was officially implanted. We lost her 9 weeks after. We do have a daughter and she inspired me to live a life of honoring and remembering her. Today is a special day and I want you to meet Molly.
Ayun, nakakaiyak pala, no? Wow! Malalim pala yung bubog. Pag napag-usapan ng ganyan, minsan nahuhukay. I wanted to talk about Molly because today is a big day for us. We are going to ASAP to perform. Why am I talking about Molly? Well, we had Molly latter part of 2018. I think it was December 8 that we got confirmation that Molly was successfully implanted sa atin noong December 8 of 2018. But we lost her before my birthday of 2019. When we lost Molly, that's when I learned to honor Molly's life by living a full life and saying yes to a lot of things. Why? Ang pinanggagalingan nito, I remember when I was pregnant with her, I had a journal. Palibhasa late na akong na-pregnant, I thought to myself I should write her like mga habilins in case I don't see her grow up. But anyway, we lost Molly. But in my heart, I knew that the way that I could honor Molly and remember her is if I lived a life that I wished for her, which was a life saying yes to a lot of things, a life serving, and in my case, music. I started serving sa chapel because matagal ko ng pangarap na mag-serve sa simbahan, pero nako-conscious ako kaya hindi ko nagawa-gawa. And I guess a lot of the things about my journey sa music began when I started saying yes to a lot of things. And today, I take Molly with me and I also take Papa with me. Papa naman was a crucial part because we lost Papa in April of 2019. Magkakasunod sila. But I promised Papa that whenever I would sing, I would remember him. So I take them with me. Ang point ko lang today, we are celebrating bubog. Marami tayong bubog. Bawat isa sa atin may bubog, may sugat na malalim, masakit na ating dinadala na hindi kailanman mawawala. Pero ang punto dito, paano mo yayakapin yung bubog na meron sa puso natin? Ang turo sa akin ni asawa, kaya pala ganun din yung lyrics, is never to forget. Initially, ang tendency, para hindi ako masaktan, ayokong isipin. Pero, ang natutunan ko, isipin mo kung gaano sila kahalaga sa buhay mo, ano ang naging buhay nila, at how would they feel if they saw us now, yung mga nawala sa buhay natin. And I'm pretty sure my Papa and Molly, who are both in heaven and in my heart, are very happy and proud because I am with them. Papa, here I am singing. And I'm also singing for my mama because dream niya talaga, sana mag-asap ka, mag-asap ka. It's a long story with Mama, but it's always been like that sa kanya. Gusto niya makita ng buong mundo. Whereas si Papa would be very much happy to see me singing in church.
Matapos nito ay nasagot na nga ang katanungan ng maraming netizens kung bakit hanggang ngayon ay wala pa ring anak sina Bernadette. Dinagsa naman ng maraming papuri at paghanga ang social media post na ito ni Bernadette sa pinakita niyang positibong pag-uugali. Dahil daw sa kabila ng mga pinagdaanan niyang sakit, sa mga ngiting ipinakita niya kahit na nagdurugo ang kanyang puso. Ano naman ang masasabi mo hinggil sa usaping ito? Huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-subscribe, and mag-comments down below. Muli po, Yo Palermo.